Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi has written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlighting the dire conditions in residential hostels for Dalit, ST, EBC, OBC, and minority students. In his June 10 letter, Gandhi pointed to Ambedkar Hostel in Darbhanga, Bihar, where 6 to 7 students share one room, face unhygienic toilets, unsafe drinking water, and lack access to mess facilities, libraries, or internet. He also raised concerns about delays in post-matric scholarships, noting that Bihar's scholarship portal was non-functional for 3 years, with no scholarships disbursed in 2021-22. The number of Dalit students receiving scholarships fell from 1.36 lakh in financial year 23 to 0.69 lakh in financial year 24, with amounts criticized as insufficient. Rahul Gandhi called for a nationwide hostel audit to ensure better infrastructure, sanitation, food, and academic facilities, and urged timely scholarship disbursement with increased funding. He emphasized that India's progress relies on empowering marginalized youth and awaits Modi's response.